Hey cookers, do you have kids that don't like green vegetables? I can relate. I never enjoyed green vegetables as a kid, and to be frank with you, I still don't really like them. There's only a few green vegetables that I will eat, and then they can't just be plain. They need some flavor to them. What I do is I season my green beans with bacon, onions, salt, pepper, and maybe a little bit of garlic, whether if I'm in the mood for it or not. First I start with bacon. I chop it up in pretty big pieces. I like big pieces of bacon, like who doesn't like bacon? I like to know that I've taken a bite of bacon. And I put it in my skillet and I brown it. And when that is about halfway done, I add my onions to it. And I let those onions get translucent. Then I add my green beans, some salt, some pepper, and maybe a little bit of garlic. If there's not enough water in the pan, I'll add a little bit of water in there, and then I just let these green beans simmer for about 15 minutes. They need to soak up the flavor of that bacon and the salt and pepper and get seasoned a little bit. It really doesn't take long. These are frozen green beans from Aldi. You can use fresh green beans. You can use canned green beans. My mom always used canned green beans. I found when I got older and I had a choice that I actually prefer fresh or frozen green beans over canned green beans. But this is what we have. We're frozen green beans from Aldi's, and I'll just take these and put them in the skillet. Now those green beans are starting to look really good. You can see all the bacon down in that water and seasoning those green beans, and the onion just gives it a nice richer flavor. Let me just sum up and taste them. Now those are good. Those are full of flavor. I enjoy them. They just don't taste like a raw green bean that's just blah, plain, boring, and I don't like that about a lot of vegetables. I need something to kind of cover up the vegetable flavor a little bit. Bacon and onions, salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic does that for me. Look at these green beans.
They look good.
Oh, you love that bacon, don't you, dear?
I do.
And the onions?
Oh, mix the dish.
Okay, so why don't you try it?
I'll just take this corner here with all that nice... Oh, look at that bacon and onion. That's good. If you got kids that don't like vegetables, make this. They'll eat it. This is very good.
That bacon and the onion just take it to the next level. They're absolutely delicious. Tonight we're having chicken cutlet and fried potatoes, so
This is a nice side.
we're eating this with that. Y'all have fun.
Bye.
These green beans go really, really well with rice pilaf. So I'll put a link to rice pilaf at the end of this, and you'll see rice pilaf and green beans pair up nicely. Have fun.